He's trying to come back at you. Aye, that's very interesting. Why is he swimming the surface?
I don't know, that's where I caught him.
Okay.
He's confused as
What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the very next episode of Hui Fishing. Today I am on the next day of the fishing derby and I currently hold the position for largest Chinook. Let's see if that size holds out after this day. So stay tuned and we'll see you shortly here. Fish on. Nothing too big. Just a little rockfish. Fun little start to the day. Not exactly my target species, so let's try again. Holy cow, that's a lot of sea lions coming. They're coming for the school. I swear there's a school right underneath us. No, they're coming for the school. Okay, not today. They can have the salmon. Oh, there we go. Oh. That's not coming up. Yeah, it's pretty close to the bottom, so let's see what I got. Oh, might be. Came right off the bottom.
You snag a flounder.
Okay, he's got some fight to him.
Yeah, but watch your leader when you get him up because they roll up in it.
Okay. Honestly, I'd be happy if it was a dogfish because I've never caught one.
Are you catching little Rockies again? No, it's the same one. Oh. I stuck a hook through his back. I'm going.
Oh! What?
That is a good sized little rockfish.
My biggest rockfish I've ever caught so far.
One, so
Sorry?
you're allowed one. Shit.
That is a huge rockfish.
Good fish.
Wow.
Wow. There's no structure here. Like, what are they? No, there's nothing. There's nothing here. It's so weird. That's a good sized rockfish. Those suck. And some of them have a little bit of poison on it.
Do they?
So you get stung, your hand burns for a few days.
And where the poison come out of?
The spines.
The spines.
And the gill plate.
Okay.
They're full of sharp.
Do they have a lot of teeth? Like, can I lip?
No, they got teeth like bass.
So I can lip grip him?
You can lip them.
Okay.
The bladder that pops up as soon as you bring them to the surface.
Oh,
Hard.
there you go.
Not a bad little rockfish. That'll be a meal for two.
My biggest rockfish I've ever caught. We're good for one each?
One per person, yeah.
Okay. He's definitely, that's more than one fish taco. Okay, so this right here, I just caught my biggest rockfish I've ever caught. I'll weigh him later. But I caught him on the Shimano flat fall as soon as I hit the bottom. Okay. Oh. see what we got here. Come on. Fish coming up. Fish coming up. It's another rockfish. Ha! I wish! Another big fatty. He's pretty big! There you go, buddy. Alright, so I just caught my next rockfish there. Pretty big size. That right there is the pilot boat with Brad on there. And they're just looking over all the kayaks within the area. And there's quite a few, many in the distance. A little bit of swells out today. Not very sunny, but still some action. Took something right off the bottom again. This is rockfish after rockfish. Luckily we're only in 25 feet of water. Flat fall, and we're gonna let him go. Whoa! Shit! It's a huge fish jumping. Oh! Rockfish! Yeah! Rockfish. There we go. Got a nice little scrapper here in 60 feet of water. Probably just another rockfish. Hey, all the rockfish are pretty big, fat scrappers today. Another one. This is in 60 feet of water. So let this guy go. Oh, big wave coming. You guys gotta see how choppy this water is. Super choppy. Swells are getting huge. Oh, Jesus. Oh, feels like a whale or something under me. sideways now. Another rockfish. Last rockfish of the day, hopefully.